Maintaining a relatively constant body temperature requires a fine balance between heat production and heat losses. Temperature homeostasis requires that increases or decreases in heat production balance increase or decrease in heat loss. Physiologists usually express this concept in terms of a whole body heat balance equation, which for an adult of constant mass is as follows. In this equation, M is for metabolism, W is for work done in the environment, R is radiative heat loss, C is convective heat loss, E is for evaporative heat loss, and S is for storage of heat. But what is meant by these terms convective and evaporative? So basically, metabolic heat is transferred by 4 modes. By blood to the skin, where it is lost by radiation, convection, conduction, and evaporation. All terms in the foregoing equation have the units kilocalorie per hour. Several physiological processes contribute to temperature homeostasis, including modulation of metabolic heat production, physical heat transfer, and elimination of heat. As you can see, skin is thus the major thermoregulatory organ. Let's talk about these terms in some more detail. Heat transfer by radiation occurs between the skin and solid bodies in the environment. The body gains or loses heat by radiation at a rate that is proportional to the temperature difference between the skin and the radiating body. Heat transfer by convection occurs when a fluid such as air or water carries the heat between the body and the environment. The convective heat loss is proportional to the difference between skin and ambient temperature. Heat transfer by conduction occurs when the body touches a solid material of different temperatures. For example, lying on the hot sand causes one to gain heat by conduction. Conversely, placing an ice pack on a sore muscle causes heat loss by conduction. Humans can dissipate nearly all the heat produced during exercise by evaporating sweat from the skin surface. The evaporative rate is independent of the temperature gradient between the skin and the environment. That is all about the 4 modes of heat transfer. We will talk about the thermoregulatory mechanism in the next section.